sitting on a bed that just won't go away. I say thank you to the hard times for making me stronger. Thank you for all the lessons that are making me wiser. Thank you to those who were kind, you lifted me up. Thank you for all my blessings, I am so grateful. I just gotta say thank you. I just gotta say I am learning, don't know where life will lead. I am growing, find the